How to fix Discord keeps you asking to verify that you're a human actually on your website. How you can solve this issue if you face it on your browser on Discord or in the Discord main application. Now there is no option or there is nothing to solve this issue, but you can try instead to check your network connection or refresh your device. You should connect to a different Wi-Fi network to change your IP address, and then you can ignore that I'm human captcha in front of you on the screen. You can simply restart your PC or reset the device, the tabs, and the Discord application. You can reinstall it instead. Now I will click on the restart button here to show you that whenever you will shut it down, it will get back to the space whenever you were talking without the human captcha here on your Discord. So these are some way how you can actually do it because there is no direct feature. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates.